The U.S. Army's M10 Booker is undergoing extensive testing at Yuma Proving Ground. The armored infantry support vehicle is being evaluated across a wide range of conditions to ensure its performance, durability and effectiveness in future combat scenarios. The German defense technology company Helsing has announced production of 6,000 HX-2 strike drones for Ukraine. The HX-2 is an electrically propelled X-wing precision munition with a range of up to 100 kilometers, featuring advanced onboard artificial intelligence, enabling full resistance to electronic warfare tactics. Barrett Electronics Limited and French defense firm Safran Electronics and Defense has announced strategic partnership to establish joint venture for the production, customization, sales and maintenance of Hammer Smart precision-guided air-to-ground weapons in India. The collaboration will facilitate technology transfer, create opportunities for Indian industries, positioning India as a global hub for smart ammunition production. The Chinese J-16 fighter jet deployed flares against Australian P-8A reconnaissance aircraft over the disputed South China Sea. Australia has expressed concern to China while China claimed that Chinese fighter jet responded in a legitimate, legal, professional and restrained manner to intentionally intrusion.